Hi everybody, this is Megan Fielder from Algebra Elevated. I just wanted to show you about my new resources. It's a digital and printable heart match activity. This one is for systems of equations, and I hope to have a few more coming soon. So when you download the product, you'll see first that there are these systems of equations heart halves. So students will need to solve these systems, and there's 2 pages of those, so each halves of the hearts. Then there's also this handout for them to match their hearts on. So I like to print this in pink just to kind of differentiate. It's a little bit Valentine's Day themed, but you'll notice at the top of these hearts, it tells you the solution. So what students need to do is they need to solve their hearts and then cut them out, and then they'll find the solution, say -2, 3, and then on their handout, they will match that and maybe tape or glue that right there. If students do that correctly, each heart should be matched with one other half. So each one there'll be 2 systems with the same solution. Now, this is how I like to do it, but when you download this product, there's a ton of options. First option, you could cut out and laminate just the halves and then make it more of a card sort activity. So you have a class set for each table, they match them together, they show their work on a separate piece of paper. That's one option. Another option is this mat shows the solution for them. There are other mats included. This one, for example, that shows the system but not the solution. And then the last mat that I have included in this download is it shows them the system and the solution. So you could really differentiate this based on the needs of your students. Say they need that validation that they got the right answer, then you could give them the one with the solution. But since they are solving and then matching to the solution already given, there is a little bit of that immediate feedback. If they can't find their solution, they know they did something wrong. Now, what's also included in this is there are 2 separate versions of systems. One set has all 8 having one solution. The other set has the same first six as the first set, but then the last 2 are the unique examples of no solutions or infinitely many solutions. So depending on your classroom and what your students are solving and need practice on, you could choose to include those unique cases or not. Now, what's also included in this resource is a digital version if your students want to complete this or need to complete this as homework, or if that makes more sense for your classroom. What that looks like is a Google Drive resource and Google Slides. And so they have all the heart pieces on one slide, and then the next 2 slides are the mat that would normally be printed out, but it's on the slide. And what students need to do is they need to solve these inequality or systems of equations. Then they'll need to copy and paste or cut and paste it wherever it needs to go. Say that was that one. I don't think it is, but say goes there. They would move it that one, and then say this one was the match. Then they would match those 2 together, making their hearts, but in a digital format. So, regardless of your classroom, hopefully something in there can work for your students and help them practice solving systems of equations with a little bit of matching and a little bit of validation that they're on the right track. Hope you enjoy. If you're curious about this resource, check down the link below. It is available for purchase in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Talk to you soon.